I'm Nikki from Howard's Peugeot in Yeovil. I'd like to introduce you to this Peugeot 2008. This is the GT line, so it does come with a great specification. You've got a rear colour camera along with rear parking aids, Bluetooth connectivity for your mobile phone, satellite navigation, dual zone climate control, as well as a DAB digital radio with USB connections for MP3 devices. You've also got this lovely panoramic glass roof above my head. Let's take a quick look around the car. Watching this video, all of our vehicles come with a multi-point check as well as a full service history. But if you would like any more information about this or any of our vehicles, let's get in touch and someone will be more than happy to assist you. Thank you, have a good day.